For decades, Al Cleinman has been a student of the business of optometry. As a consultant, he's been instrumental in the development of some of North America's most successful optometry practices. Each week, he addresses timely topics to help optometrists build and improve. And now, here's Al with his insights on the business of eye care.
A client recently reported that one of his associates was woefully behind, weeks behind, in completing medical records. A friend lamented that she has so much on her plate that she's stressed and not enjoying the summer. I observe others running helter-skelter, handling those many obligations of parenthood. Are we wasting our lives just juggling stuff? One thing I've learned is that not all uses of time are equal. Learning that time is the most important commodity one has, only usurped by health, is a fundamental key to success. Indeed, managing time is far more important than even managing money. You can make more money, but you can't make more time. Good use of time yields personal productivity, which is fundamental to what one gets out of this thing we call life. Investing your time in the most profitable work possible leads to making more money. Investing time in others leads to better relationships. Investing in a career path that's flexible yields more freedom. And whether you want more wealth, more friendship, or more freedom, how you invest and value your time is fundamental to your results. A few years ago, I was working with a husband-wife team and discussing their time stresses. The wife lamented that she never had time to exercise. With 3 small kids, she had to rise at 5 a.m. to get herself ready for her day. She shared that she spent 45 minutes doing her hair every day. To make a long story short, I suggested she change her hairdo. Yep, cut your hair. A few months later, she reported that she had won Biggest Loser at her gym, the result of freeing up the time she needed to invest in herself just by changing her hairstyle. Many years ago, I looked at my daily activities and came to the realization that I was consuming over 2 hours each day with interruptions. Whether the result of answering the phone, fielding a staff member's or client's impromptu question, or even trading messages to set up a meeting, I found myself consumed by what I refer to as garbage time. Further, these interruptions caused me to waste even more time as I attempted to refocus on what I was doing before the interruption. Being the analyst that I am, I calculated that these mostly spontaneous activities were consuming the equivalent of 25% of my productive time. Fully 15 weeks a year were being consumed by interruptions. My guess is that this is similar for many of you. My solution, one which has exponentially improved my personal productivity, has been to calendar everything. Literally, I need to write my weekly video script, it's in the calendar. Need to review a client contract, it's in the calendar. Need to discuss an idea or challenge with a team member, yep, it's scheduled. Going for a hike, calendar it. Time for a drink with a friend, you'll find it in my calendar. While my door is always open, I've trained my team and my clients that it's open subject to appointment. And with today's amazing technology, sending clients a simple link to my calendar so they can schedule time with me has saved tons of staff time. You schedule your patient appointments, but for most of you, that's where good scheduling ends. You still deal with a host of ad hoc activities throughout your day. You return phone calls only to have to leave a message because the other party is tied up. You're late for an appointment because you misjudged travel time. You forgot an employee's anniversary because it wasn't in your calendar. Want to fully understand this? Keep track of the ad hoc things you do and the distractions you absorb daily. Today's technology allows you to maintain a single calendar for all activities. Having your appointment schedulers handle your personal calendar as well as your patient calendar frees you up to perform higher level, more profitable work. Just having your assistant scheduling your phone calls with the other party will deliver amazing results. Managing interruptions has been fundamental to both my personal productivity as well as my mental peace of mind. Calendaring everything has been my way to take the stress out of my life and to make room for what's important. Feeling overwhelmed? Too much on your plate? At Cleinman Performance Partners, we've developed some very useful productivity tools that work. Reach out to schedule a no-obligation discussion on how you can free up your time and reduce your stress.
We hope you enjoyed Elle's message. At Cleinman Performance Partners, our team is dedicated to transforming lives through recognized and realized possibilities. We have resources in nearly every aspect of the business of optometry and the experience to help you get where you want to go faster and easier. If you would like to explore your possibilities or challenges, contact us today at Cleinman.com. We're here to help.